a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, she goes back.
Hello folks, it's me again. I gotta adjust the camera here because it appears it's too close. So we're gonna move it back a little. Back of the bus, folks, back of the bus. Move the camera back here a little. There we go. Well, what I got for today? I'm not building anything, I'm just demolishing something, get it out of here. I was wondering what the hell was in here. Gave it a test, doesn't work good, so I'm demolishing it. And so far, I took the back off. And it's toast, folks. Toast. Let me get wire cutters. I'll show you what's inside. Anybody ever want to know what the hell's in one of these? I found this little soda cooler on the side of the road. Gave it a quick test, and it's toast. In the back here, there's a... let me lift this up a little here. There's all kinds of fun stuff. What I'm doing is just taking it apart, having some fun. I have fans. Do you have fans? I got fans everywhere. Anyway, I'll be quiet so I can edit this out and let you watch me do what I'm doing here. Let's see. Chop, chop. Here we go. Chop. 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 I think I need let's cut these longer. Little motors. Motor, motor. Le motor, le motor. Motorola. Okay, that's that piece. Oh, folks, I'm still breaking this thing apart. There's some weird stuff in here, like heat sinks are always good, but I don't know what the hell. Oh, look, there's even. I used to work in a computer store, so there's even heatsink paste, which is pretty cool. I'm guessing. Use tools. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Look at this fancy shit. Oh, look at that. Believe it or not, the hinges look pretty good in here. Little latch thing. Oh, good for a wooden box. There's always that one screw. One more. There's always one behind a sticker. Well, this is boring. Sorry, folks. This video is pretty boring. Look, just screwing around. So anyway, the inner piece had a fancy styrofoam. Yeah, because you never know when you need a fat handle screwdriver to break shit. All right, now let's see. All right, there we go. That's not good. Garbage. Oh, 8 minutes again. Stop this video. Can holders. You know what this looks like? It looks like one of those drafting things to put pens in. That's really what it looks like. So I'm doing it. I'm gonna draft it right in the garbage. There'll be something. Oh, look at that. Oh, I knew there was there's like a computer. What about aluminium? I would guess the thing I just unscrewed was the thermometer, and this must be a... What is this, folks? KSD 301 something something. That's a nice big fat chunk of aluminum there. Look at that chunk of aluminum. Cool. Aluminium. Gears of war. See that? Think it'll work? Styrofoam and plastic. Anyway, that's what's left. A plastic insulated body, and that's it really. Throw the aluminum pile. And that's it really. The end of it. Thanks for watching, and hope that was exciting. As I did all the, look at that, millions of dollars of, ooh, found the problem. If you look in there, wait, I'll show you. If you look right in here, it's fried. There's like burnt, something really fried in here. That thing just toasted. That was a fire waiting to happen. Anyway, gotta love those expensive consumer electronics. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I can't tell what the thing is, so I'll cut this down to about a 4-minute video. Enjoy.